On tonight's episode, 2018 EcoBoost Mustang. The problem I noticed with this car was for this window here. The auto up feature, where when you close the door, the window goes up maybe quarter inch, wasn't working. Came out in the morning to find that there was water, the window was cracked open, got all in the bottom, all on the carpet, all over the seat, everything was a mess, it was all soaking wet. So, started looking into it, see a lot of posts about, oh, they replaced the window motor and regulator, didn't work. You can try re-indexing the windows, you have the window down, close the door, hold up on the switch. Once it reaches the top, 2 seconds, you should hear a click. Roll it down, 2 seconds after that, you should hear another click when it reaches the bottom. Wasn't working, none of that was fixing it. What I did find was this. So obviously I have the door panel apart because I'm repainting the car. So put that up here. Little cool magnetic light from Costco. Remove the speaker. Here's your window motor behind this moisture barrier. If you reach up in here, this is the plug for the power window motor regulator and module. So I'm not really sure if you can see in the light, but this bottom row here, the furthest most left connector, right after that, what is that, PA66? That left connector, the metal prong or tang for that connector and inside the pin, when I first took this apart, I was looking at the metal connectors here and shining it in the light. That one wasn't getting any light. The pin was further back towards that part of the connector, towards the back of it. So I thought that was kind of weird. So I came to the back here. Now, a little hard to do this one-handed, but this white wire goes to that pin. This can move quite a lot. It goes in and out. I probably cannot replicate it on the camera, but this white wire for that connector pin goes in and out. So what I did was I cut back on the harness loom here, grab this wire, I push it all the way in, take this, plug it back in, make sure I grab that wire, push it in again, push it in some more. All right, so before it was just staying here. Even with the door fully closed, this would stay open. And it would leave like just a crack enough for water can get through, you can kind of see. So now I did that, I'm gonna try and close it. Look, it's not going up now, but, oh, goes up, goes up. All right. Well, that's getting somewhere. So I'm not sure if this is like a permanent fix, but if you are having these same issues with these S550 Mustangs with the auto up, auto down feature not working, maybe try and give that white wire on that pin connector a try. Have a look. Yours might be loose. Test it one more time. It wasn't doing that before, and now it's going up and down like it's supposed to. It's sealing. So I hope this helps. Anybody else in the future who might be looking for a fix for this has the same problem. It looks to me from the forums that this is a kind of common issue. Well, yeah, I hope this helps.